Let's start with highlights. Exposure +0, 10 ev. Contrast -5. Highlights -68. Shadow +55. Whites -83. Blacks +19. Let's move to curve. Make sure your white graph should be like that. Take screenshot to remember it. Other curves should be straight. Let's move to the color section. Temperature +6, tint +2. Vibrance +16, saturation +2. Now go to the color mix. Red color hue -8, saturation +25. Luminance +4. Orange color hue -12, saturation -17. Luminance +32. Yellow color hue +48, saturation -84. Luminance +24. Green color hue -26, saturation +19. Luminance -48. Aqua color hue -39, saturation -38. Luminance +20. Blue color hue -69, saturation -52. Luminance -21. Purple color, saturation -100, N color. Also, saturation -100. It's done. Let's move to color grading. Shadow, hue 239, saturation 10, luminance -25. Blending 100, balance 21. Let's move to highlights. Hue 232, saturation 32, blending 100. Balance 21. Let's move to effects. Texture 15, clarity 6, dehas 15. Vignette -10, midpoint 50. Feather 60, highlights 0, grain 9, size 25. Move dot 2 next, sharpening 27, details 25, masking 40. Noise reduction 17, detail 50, color noise reduction 22. Now, let's copy the setting and apply to other images.